Spring is here, and it's the perfect time to breathe new life into your small apartment with the romantic charm of Shabby Chic Decor. Imagine waking up to soft pastel hues, vintage-inspired furniture, and delicate floral accents that make your home feel like a cozy spring retreat. This style is all about embracing imperfections, layering textures, and creating an effortlessly elegant space that feels warm and inviting. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of shabby chic spring decor, how to achieve the look, what pieces to choose, and the little details that bring this aesthetic to life. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll have all the inspiration and practical tips you need to transform your apartment into a dreamy, shabby chic haven. And if you love home decor and want more inspiring ideas, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Shabby chic is a design style that beautifully balances rustic charm with a delicate vintage aesthetic. It celebrates softness, subtle imperfections, and the graceful wear of time, making it the perfect choice for a warm and inviting home. The key to achieving this look in a small apartment is to focus on a light and airy palette, incorporating soft, muted colors that create an open and welcoming ambiance. Shades of faded whites, blush pinks, powder blues, and sage greens work beautifully to establish a calm yet romantic atmosphere. These colors also help reflect natural light, making your space feel larger and more serene. To fully embrace the shabby chic charm, mix and match textures, combine distressed wooden elements with delicate lace, or pair worn-out furniture with plush, elegant fabrics. This creates a beautifully layered and cozy aesthetic that feels both nostalgic and effortlessly sophisticated. To enhance the vintage appeal, look for ways to incorporate time-worn pieces into your decor. Flea market finds, antique-inspired decor, and upcycled furniture will add authenticity to your space. You don't need to invest in expensive vintage pieces. DIY distressing techniques can give modern furniture a weathered, aged look. Try lightly sanding down wooden surfaces or applying a whitewash paint technique for an instantly antique feel. When styling your space, aim for an effortless, lived-in look. Deliberately mismatched picture frames, softly draped fabrics, and a touch of florals bring a relaxed, romantic essence that is the hallmark of shabby chic decor. This approach creates a home that feels charming, personal, and filled with warmth, making even the smallest apartment feel like a cozy retreat from the world. Follow this step-by-step guide to achieve the ultimate shabby chic spring transformation in your home. Step 1. Start with a soft, neutral base. Begin by selecting a light and neutral color palette. Think soft whites, warm creams, and pastel tones. These shades create an airy foundation and allow vintage elements to shine. Opt for matte or distressed paint finishes on walls and furniture to enhance the antique charm. Step 2. Choose elegant, yet functional furniture. Look for vintage-style furniture with intricate details like curved legs, ornate carvings, or distressed wood finishes. A small tufted love seat, a French-style vanity, or a rustic farmhouse dining table adds instant character while maintaining functionality in a compact space. Step 3. Layer soft and airy textiles. Incorporate floral-patterned curtains, lace-trimmed cushions, and ruffled bedding to create a romantic, layered look. Add a lightweight, throw blanket in pastel hues for extra coziness. Step 4. Add decorative accessories with vintage charm. Enhance your decor with ceramic vases, antique mirrors, floral wall art, and vintage table lamps. Display delicate porcelain teacups or weathered picture frames for an authentic shabby chic touch. Step 5. Bring in natural elements. Welcome spring indoors with fresh flowers, potted plants, and woven baskets. A vase of blush pink roses or lavender sprigs instantly brightens up any space. With these simple steps, your apartment will be transformed into a charming, shabby chic spring retreat, a space that feels warm, welcoming, and effortlessly stylish. When decorating a small apartment in shabby chic style, choosing the right furniture is essential to maintaining both beauty and functionality. Since space is limited, opt for light-colored furniture with delicate detailing. Think curved lines, ornate carvings, and distressed finishes. A whitewashed wooden coffee table or a vintage-inspired sideboard with floral engravings will add instant charm while keeping the room feeling open and airy. To create a sense of continuity, choose furniture that shares similar soft pastel tones or lightly worn finishes. This helps the space feel cohesive and visually spacious. An iron bed frame with intricate details or an upholstered armchair in linen or cotton fabric will introduce that classic shabby chic look without overwhelming the room. The key is to maintain balance. Each piece should add elegance without feeling bulky or excessive. Since small apartments require smart storage solutions, look for furniture that serves multiple purposes. A vintage trunk can act as both a coffee table and hidden storage, while a foldable dining table can be tucked away when not in use. Consider repurposing old furniture to fit your needs. An antique dresser can be transformed into a vanity, and a weathered wooden ladder can serve as a stylish blanket rack. To complete the look, add layers of soft, textured fabrics, such as linen slipcovers or crochet-trimmed cushions. These little touches not only enhance the shabby chic aesthetic, but also make your space feel cozy and inviting. With the right furniture choices, you can achieve a timeless, elegant look while maximizing your small space efficiently. One of the easiest and most affordable ways to refresh your apartment for spring is by updating your textiles. Textiles play a crucial role in shabby chic decor, bringing in softness, warmth, and a sense of effortless elegance. Start by swapping out heavy winter throws and dark-colored fabrics for light, breathable materials like cotton, linen, and lace. These fabrics allow for natural airflow and give your home a bright, airy feel. Consider layering different textures to create depth. Combine sheer curtains with delicate lace panels, or drape a soft floral quilt over a neutral linen bedspread. This layering effect adds a cozy yet refined touch to your space, making it feel more inviting and luxurious. Patterns are also a signature element of shabby chic decor, and spring is the perfect time to embrace delicate floral prints, subtle stripes, and romantic ruffles. Choose bedding, table runners, or cushion covers adorned with soft pastel florals to instantly elevate the seasonal look. Mix and match patterns thoughtfully. Pairing soft florals with muted ticking stripes creates a balanced, vintage-inspired aesthetic without overwhelming the room. To complete the transformation, don't forget about area rugs. A distressed or faded Persian-style rug can anchor your space while adding warmth underfoot. By incorporating these thoughtful textile choices, you'll create a space that feels fresh, romantic, and ready to welcome the beauty of spring. Decorative accessories are the finishing touches that bring a shabby chic space to life. Every little detail, from an ornate mirror to a delicate porcelain vase, contributes to the overall charm of the decor. One of the easiest ways to enhance the shabby chic aesthetic is by incorporating vintage-inspired accessories. Look for distressed picture frames, antique clocks, and floral-patterned ceramics to add character to your space. These small details create visual interest and make your apartment feel thoughtfully curated. To enhance the cozy and romantic atmosphere, place scented candles in soft, pastel-colored holders, or display a collection of vintage books tied together with lace ribbon. Don't be afraid to get creative with repurposed items. An old wooden tray can become a stylish coffee table centerpiece, while mason jars can be used as candle holders or vases. Wall art is another great way to enhance the theme. Botanical prints, vintage postcards, or delicate watercolor paintings in ornate frames will add a touch of artistry and elegance. For a truly personalized feel, consider DIY projects like distressing a thrifted mirror or hand-painting a floral motif onto a wooden jewelry box. By focusing on these thoughtful accessories, you can transform even the simplest apartment into a dreamy, shabby chic sanctuary that feels timeless and uniquely yours. Spring is the season of renewal, making it the perfect time to embrace nature in your home decor. The beauty of shabby chic style lies in its ability to blend indoor and outdoor elements seamlessly. To capture this essence, incorporate fresh flowers, greenery, and natural materials into your space. A simple bouquet of roses, peonies, or lavender placed in a vintage pitcher instantly adds a soft, romantic touch. If you love the idea of having plants but struggle with maintenance, opt for low-maintenance options like potted herbs or dried eucalyptus bundles. These not only bring a fresh scent into your home, but also add a rustic charm that complements shabby chic decor beautifully. Beyond florals, consider integrating woven baskets, rattan furniture, and reclaimed wood into your space. Wicker baskets can be used for stylish storage solutions, while a weathered wooden stool can serve as both a decorative piece and functional seating. If your apartment has limited space, think vertically. Hang dried floral arrangements on the wall or place small potted plants on floating shelves. Even small touches, like a linen napkin wrapped around a vase or a sheer floral curtain framing your window, can evoke the beauty of spring. By blending these natural elements with shabby chic decor, you'll create a refreshing, elegant, and serene atmosphere that truly feels like a springtime retreat. With just a few thoughtful touches, you can transform your small apartment into a shabby chic spring paradise, full of soft colors, vintage charm, and cozy elegance. By choosing the right furniture, layering airy textiles, and adding delicate accessories, you'll create a home that feels warm, inviting, and refreshingly beautiful. Whether you're repurposing old treasures or adding floral accents, this style allows for creativity and personal expression, making your space uniquely yours. If you found these tips helpful, let us know in the comments what your favorite shabby chic element is. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon for more inspiring home decor ideas. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.